This often happens. We change our screen lock, and when we log in, it says we forgot the screen lock. If that's your case, don't worry, because we're going to explain one of the easiest and fastest ways to recover your phone. We're going to click the gear icon, then click it again. What are we going to do? Let's look here for this Quit Shares option and the little gear icon. Let's tap the option twice, at the same time. Let us do it again. We'll go back in. Go back in again until we get an error here. We lock the screen, scroll down, go here. Let's try again. Here we can see that we get in, but it doesn't exit. We're in, but it kicks us out. Let's enable this option here. Let's try again. Okay, if that happens, what you're going to do is click here on the power button. Hold it down here. Activate this Safe Mode option. Activate this Safe Mode option and wait for the phone to restart. When the phone restarts, it will take us back to the home screen. Let's wait for it to take us to the home screen, and I'm going to explain the easy and quick way to do what you have to do. Pay close attention to this video tutorial to be able to solve this problem. This recovery of this device. That's why it's recommended not to miss any details. Do exactly as we have indicated. Now let's wait. Ready, if you can see the option that appears below. As you can see, is what we turn off. With this option, which we've automatically enabled, all the applications will be hidden. What you're going to do is go to the gear icon. Go to the gear icon, then to Applications. Once you're in the Applications, you're going to find the Screen Lock option and uninstall it. After you uninstall it, turn off and turn on again, and it will be ready. But what are you going to do? You're going to restart your phone so that this can be removed automatically.